Hello guys, I'm the first day with my voice, and how you can see that I don't need to write letters anymore, and that's kind of I always just write letters because I don't like actually talking, but for you I will do it. So we can draw. Let's think about it. Maybe like, I don't know, a unicorn? Okay, we can draw a unicorn. I can work with this. So first we need to make a shape of this kind of thing. I don't know how it's called. I forgot how it's called. And then you need to add the triangle with the lines on it. Then the eye, the nose, then like 2 lines for his neck, and I don't know it's a girl or a boy, but I will just draw a girl. Then you need to draw all of the details. You don't need to draw all things the same as me, because that's actually, you need to customize your own unicorn. I'm just doing how I can do. You can try on your own. I'm just trying to teach you more drawing. Okay, when the sketch is complete, we can set the opacity. I don't know what it's called, but if you actually wondered on what I am drawing it sketchbook. And now we make a second layer, and now it starts. We are making like not small, not big, medium like size. I think so, that's okay. And we are start tracing it. You thought I would tell destroying? No, I am not destroying my painting. I would never do that. I'm keeping all of my paintings, actually. Except for the ones which are in my previous videos. I am keeping them in a secret place you will never know. You didn't saw that. That was nothing. That was really, really nothing. I think my unicorn is turning out well. And if you wondered my age, it's actually 6 years. Yeah. I'm not doing my channel. I'm just sending my photos to my dad, and then he just makes it into my channel. And now our unicorn is complete. Now the most fun part. Coloring. I prefer to use the coloring thing, I don't know how it's called, like a bucket which just colors everything. But for you guys, I will not do this. Yep, I will color everything on my hand. Here you go. See, I'm not using any thing. I'm just coloring. That's it. Okay, this is too boring. Okay, no, I won't do this. I won't do this. I will really won't do this. You can see that I removed the unicorn's nose. I really promise I will draw it back, and the eye also. Just they are getting in the way. You ask me, why do I not do the coloring first? Well, because I forgot to. That's super obvious. I'm just forgetting a lot of things. And that's very bad. I just don't actually know how to do this. I'm just changing my sideways. I know you don't like when when it's showing and disappearing, but I'm very sorry for the sketchbook. I promise I will change it in a few years to another program. Sketchbook is very effective. I like it. But I promise that I will change the program, because it's when you are drawing, it's kind of like disappearing, which is not helpful at all when drawing like this. You need to draw especially like this, and you cannot actually. Back to the theme. So let's draw the eyes back. As I was telling, I'll draw my favorite eyes, and I'll draw my character on the end, as today I wasn't drawing it on the first second. And you wonder how that fast I am making my character. Well, I'm making it before don't look at this. This is just my end of time, and that's not working as sketchbook, so don't worry. My video won't stop, I promise. Now we just color this whole thing up. You wondered why I didn't color his feet. That's because I have a special occasion, especially for this. See, I have an idea. If I will take this and bring it to a little size, yeah, it's turning out great. You can try this in sketchbook too if you have it. You can write in the comments below if you have sketchbook and if you are drawing it. So here's our unicorn. You can add a background, a shiny sun. If no, I will just do it. Sorry about using the bucket. Just love it. Okay, and like this, the unicorn is finished. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!